Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to create this beautiful black and gold eyeshadow. Without further ado, let's just start with the tutorial. First, I'll fill in my eyebrows using Umber shade from Wet n Wild Eyebrow Kit. So before the application of eyeshadow, I'm here going to prime my eyes using O2O Cosmetics in the shade Nude. So here I'm just cleaning the edges of my eyebrows to make it look more sharp and clean. Now I'm just going to apply the eye primer all over my lid. So here I'm packing my eye primer using the Pack White translucent powder. So let's move on to the next step. I'm using Maybelline Black Gel Eyeliner and going to apply the product on my inner lid and outer lid. Use a smaller amount at first and then gradually increase as per the requirement. Make sure not to extend the gel eyeliner above the crease line. To set the eyeliner in place, I'm going to use Kiko Milano Matte Smoky Black Eyeshadow. Using the clean brush, I'm going to blend the edges to remove the harsh lines and make it look more blended. I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use the same gel eyeliner from Maybelline to apply it on my waterline. And also don't forget to tagline your eyes. It's time to apply the eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. I'm going to use Kiko Milano Pearly Champagne shade. I'm going to use the same shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. To make it more shimmery, I'm here using Swiss Beauty 02 Diamond Dust Liquid Eyeshadow. Time to apply mascara. For mascara, I'm using Lakme Iconic Black Mascara. This is the end result, guys. I really hope you like this look and I hope you also going to try this look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Have a nice day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.